Friends, you must have heard about breaking of car silencers a lot of times. Sometimes with due effect of season, silencers get hole in it and even it break out sometimes. So in today's video, we'll watch this silencer's nozzle which is broken of Maruti 800 Type 3. You can see here downwards this in its silencer. As you can see, main silencer is broken from here. There is no reason of breaking out. It was all because of rust. As all these things are made of G1, that's why they break very quickly and won't work out by doing welding. So friends, welcome to another video of DIY Master, and this is your voiceover artist Yukta. And in today's video, we'll tell you how without any gas welder or mechanic you can fix silencers in an effective way. Means you can see this video and do it in your home. Only you need is a house pipe, which must be a radiator house pipe. You can easily get that in any repair shop. So guys, that house pipe is usually used in radiators. Through that house pipe, you can fix your silencer because that pipe is made of heat resistance material. So if you fit it in silencer, that might get work. So I am in this street. This is Bhopal's Dashera ground where car fixing works are being done. There are some spare parts shaped too, and I came here in morning not to buy something because it's silencers work and we can get that house pipe anywhere easily wherever any mechanic does radiators work. To increase their charges, they throw out the house pipe and adjust new in it. Because it's not much costly, we can take any kind of house pipe which is in radiator and is temperature resistance, can use in fixing silencer. As I have told you, silencer was charges, they throw out the house pipe and adjust new in it. Because it's not much costly, we can take any kind of house pipe which is in radiator and is temperature resistance, can use in fixing silencer. As I have told you, silencer was broken, so I am here and you can see there are lot of car spare parts over here. You can see lots of spare parts are there and I am here to find that house pipe. So this house pipe you are seeing, this is a house pipe and can make use of it. And this house pipe you can see has no leakage from anywhere, but as you know, it is broken from it. Anyways, this mechanic must have been loyal. He hasn't robbed the customer. Okay, I'll take this house pipe and from here I'll use it in a way. I'll cut it from here to here and put it in the silencer's pipe. Now I need a new thing, which is I want 2 clamps and my silencer's work will be done without any welding. I have got another option here. I must have done welding, but you can do any good gas welding because it has G1 wire in it. It is made up of G1 galvanized iron, so any welding won't stick to it. As soon as water reaches, it will get rusty and will be broken. That's why I am doing this. If it's broken by rust, so it must kept inside only. Anyways guys, as you have seen, we bought house pipe like this. If you want, you can buy it from any shop. He'll take 10 to 50 rupees from you and give you any old house pipe. So how to fix it? Let's watch it now. So guys, to fix the silencer's nozzle, we have this knife to cut it and the house pipe which we took from outside the shop. It means kind of arrangement. Now what we have to do is cut into small around 2 inch and 2 inch from here. If you want, you can cut it 4-inch directly. Let's cut it first. Now after cutting out this pipe of 2 inches, we have this simple pipe which is painted. We'll cut this to around 2 inches and check its size. 2 inches will come in this and around 2 inches will be in down. Let me see. Yes, it will go around 2 inches. So 2 and 2, 4 inches we can cut. So guys, we have cut this pipe too. And what we have to do is put this here and this pipe in here. Like this we have to put up. Now what we need to do is this pipe will go in this pipe. If it doesn't go straight in it, make a cut from here and put it in it. So guys, we have done it like this. Pipe is almost here. It means it is packed with rubber nicely. So let's put it down there. We'll try if this part gets into that pipe. So guys, we have fixed the silencer. You can see that yellow pipe is fixed in the proper place and pipe got tight because it got rubber packing on it. Now guys, this opens section you are watching. We can do two works. Think which can work that. First, this rubber pipe lying over here, tied to it with C. That gets into that pipe. So guys, we have fixed the silencer. You can see that yellow pipe is fixed in the proper place and pipe got tight because it got rubber packing on it. Now guys, this opens section you are watching. We can do two works. Think which can work that. First, this rubber pipe lying over here, tied to it with C clamp or else we'll.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the video.